Welcome back, traders. This is the moment that you have all been waiting for, to learn how to trade on NAGA Trader, to learn how to open trades on NAGA Trader. As you have witnessed so far, NAGA Trader is a very user-friendly trading platform. If you are not convinced yet, then with this next feature, I'm sure you will. Let's start from the beginning. The trade section displays a lot of information, but it also makes it very easy for beginners especially to place their trades. For example, the first row of the trade section displays the two available operations, sell or buy. Just click on the desired operation and then a blue line will underline your desired operation. Moving one line lower, one row lower, the financial instrument itself is shown there. The financial instrument that is displayed on the price chart. And next to it, a star. The star, as we know by now, it will add this financial instrument in your favorites, in your favorite list. I forgot to mention, by the way, that in between the sell and the buy operation, the trade section displays the spread of the financial instrument shown on the price chart. Excellent. Now that we covered that, let's move a little bit lower, one line lower. Next line displays the current market price, or live price if you want to call it like that, and also the trade that the majority of the traders have placed, meaning buy or sell, what they have traded, most of them, a buy trade or a sell trade. And this is a very useful insight. The next row offers the opportunity to place a trade at the current price or at a specific price or rate, as NAGA Trader calls it. If you go with the specific price, then you just type in the desired price or use the plus and minus buttons until you reach that price. Simple and easy so far. Next line offers the opportunity to set the size of the trade. The first choice is the investment amount. This is an amount that NAGA Trader calculates for you. It's a suggestion for you to review. You either take it or you can change it. And also there is another choice, the lot size. Again, here there is the corresponding suggestion, but also you can change it by either typing in the desired lot size or by using the plus and minus buttons to reach that number. As easy as 1, 2, 3. The last piece of information that I would like to share here with you is the NAGA Protector. The NAGA Protector gives you the opportunity to safeguard your capital by setting a stop loss just in case the market goes against you, or set a take profit so you can benefit if the market goes in your favor. Now, let's say that you want to set a stop loss and or take profit. How do you do that? Just click on the set button so you can either enter an amount as a stop loss or take profit, and choice number 2, you click on the specific rate so you can type in the specific price that you desire. Now you know NAGA Protector.